Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the earbud respond slowly or don't respond at all to the touch controls. Of course we're talking about the SOUNDCORE Liberty 5. So at first the thing you need to do is to try to clean your earbuds. Take some inner cleaner, maybe some brush, and just brush the area of the touch sensors. If it didn't help you and you feel that it's still broken, you need to check for the physical damage. If you saw that here on these touch sensors where you just need to pinch it, are some bruises or some, maybe no, I don't know, it's damaged. You see some visual damage, you need to contact device support or just buy new ones, because the physical damage is that sign that can kill every single device. What can I say also? We can try to factory reset your earbuds actually, and to do so open your case and hold this button over here. If you hold this button for at least 10 seconds, you will see the light rapidly flashing 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, after this factory reset, you should be able to use every single gesture back again. Maybe this will just unlock. Apart from that, try to forget your earbuds from your device, turn off your Bluetooth, and turn off your phone, of course device. Then do the same with your earbuds with the factory reset included, and try to pair with this with your earbuds again. If it works, that's nice. If it doesn't work, you need to contact device support to have your earbuds fixed. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.